Hi guys, this is Antonio Coleman. You can find my website at colemanmg.com. Colemanmg.com. I'd say one of the top local marketing websites out there online today. But I'm doing this quick little video for everyone out there, for my clients and for those who are interested in these profiles and listings and things like that that we set up for them. Now, this is a demo account because obviously the project say none. This is a demo account. Everyone want to know what is the process of doing this. Well, how many profiles will we be getting? How many profiles will we be doing? We have a database of over 3,000 profiles and citation sites that we can set your business up on. And once we complete one of them, this turns green. It turned completely green here, and that let us know that we have completed, because we have to manually go in and set up your company name and business information on each and every one of these websites. So it's not like some software that goes out and does it. This is manual done, and this is natural, and this is great for the search engines too, and it's great for your business. So we have tons of them, over 3,000 of them. And level 1 marketing, we do around 300. Level 2 marketing, once we try to ramp it up, we try to do about 600. And once we get into that level, I say 3 marketing or so, we're trying to get up to 1,000 so listings. So and plus we have a database of over 3,000, so it's really easy for us to do that. So here are a number of these sites. These are citation sites, community sites, profile sites. Let's go to page number 2 here. Let's go to page number 2. And we have many more. I mean, we have tons of them. And this is the platform that we set up to manage our listings for the tons of clients that we have, because we're just everywhere. When we talk about building your online presence, we really mean that we're here to build your online presence. We're here to put you out there on hundreds, if not thousands, of websites, and those clients we do have is very affordable. So we try to keep it at a minimum, and at the same time we make sure we get your business out on thousands of websites and building online presence. So whenever someone Googles your name or Googles some keywords in your city that you want to rank for, that's a good chance that you're going to come up somewhere. So hey guys, my name is Antonio Coleman from the ColemanMG.com. If you have a chance to go check out my website, ColemanMG.com, I got a great free ultimate guide to dominate your local market. You can find it at the bottom of the page, totally free of charge. You don't have to enter a credit card number. It's totally free. Just get it, read it, and follow the steps, and you can be dominating your local market yourself. You guys have a blessed day. Bye bye.